No, it's just me.
So, this mic,
Yes, the Sennheiser AVX.
it's wireless now.
Yes, it is.
How is the link protection?
The AVX guarantees best audio transmission between the camera and the microphone.
Ah, the AVX. It takes a while to set up.
Oh, absolutely not. It plugs into the XLR input and switches on when the camera is switched on.
How sensitive it is to the sound.
Very much. It has an optimized dynamic range.
So even the loudest and softest sounds are captured?
Yes.
The levels are automatically matched to the
Input sensitivity of the camera? Yes.
And the sound will be good?
Relax. It's an AVX.
यही मर हराम ज़ादे आज ही मरेगा तू